Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Kia Rio LX. So this is our entry-level model here at Kia, but it's not that bad. I actually really enjoyed my time in it. Decently roomy here in the back seat. Take a look at the sticker here. So this has a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder motor, Ivt Transmission. Only options this one has are the carpeted floor mats and the mud guards, for a total price of $16,925. Heading inside now. Really nice interior for the price, seeing how this is one of the cheapest cars on sale in America. Full infotainment screen here. You have radio, shut that off, media, so you can Bluetooth, stuff like that. Your track, you can set up a custom button to do whatever you want, which is a pretty cool idea. You go into setup and you have all your basic features. You can also set up a screensaver, so when the car, when it is turned off, it turns on a analog clock, which is pretty cool. Like that. Pretty cool feature. Nice cloth seats, very comfortable for the drive. I was definitely impressed. You have all your power outlets, everything you would ever need. Start. Just turn the key, and you're good to go. So without further ado, let's go ahead, take it out on the road. Alright, and now onto the drive of this 2020 Kia Rio LX. Pretty fun car. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do. It's really nimble, really fun to drive. It's an excellent first car for somebody. You know, it's small, easy to park, easy to drive. Great on gas, too. This Ivt transmission is actually pretty good. I'm not normally a fan of IVT stands for Intelligent Variable Transmission. It's Kia's version of the continuously variable transmission, where there's no actual gears. What it is, it's a set of bands that adjust to the desired gear and what ratio is needed for the acceleration. You do have a sport mode, which holds gears for a little bit longer. Putting it into normal mode, revs drop dramatically and everything's a little bit more relaxed. You do also have manual ability, so you can manually shift it with up to 7 gears. Excuse me, 8 gears. All the touch points are actually really good quality for the price. No complaints, no squeaks or rattles or anything like that. If I'm not mistaken, I believe a manual transmission is an option. I don't think we have any in inventory. That's why I chose the IVT. Plus, this is the only one outside. I wasn't going to dig one out of the showroom. I've always been a sucker for Jag wagons. Don't know why. What's nice about this IVT is it keeps the car in the power band, so it always feels peppy. With the smaller 1.6 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, people might think it's down on horsepower, and that's not the case. The IVT puts it in the exact power band that you need at that moment. It's a very good transmission mated to this vehicle. Another huge bonus for this kind of car is the visibility. Visibility is absolutely spectacular. Due to the low weight of this vehicle, they can shrink these A-pillars and still support the weight of the vehicle in a rollover. So once those A-pillars are smaller, your blind spots are nearly eliminated. It's really, really good. I think of this more as an around-town car. You know, something for like Boston or somewhere in a good, decent-sized city. And this is absolutely perfect for it. Easy to park, you have backup cameras, everything you ever would need. So, I mean, it's perfect for a little town. The ride is actually really good over some of these bigger bumps. I used this patch to test a lot of suspensions. Pretty good. Doesn't throw it around too much. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.